Hello and welcome to the course on Basic Electrical Engineering. In this video, I am going to explain what is KCL. KCL means Kirchhoff's current law. What is the statement of KCL? Sum of the currents entering at a node are equal to the sum of the leaving currents from a node. Okay, this is the statement of the KCL. Once again, I am reading. Sum of the currents entering at a node are equal to the sum of the leaving currents from a node. Okay, this node is very important point. Okay, what is the definition of node? It is the point of interconnection of two or more elements. Okay, in a circuit we are having number of node, and the node definition is it is the point of interconnection of two or more elements. What do you mean by elements? We are having many number of elements in a circuit. Some of the elements in a circuit are resistors, inductors, capacitors, sources. Sources means here we are having voltage sources and current sources, etc. These are said to be elements. Okay, here circuit is shown. In this circuit, 5 straight lines are there. You can assume those straight lines as elements, and they are all connected to a one common point. Okay, this common point is said to be node. Okay, here these 5 elements are connected to one common point. Okay, that common point is said to be node. Now you have to apply KCL at this node. So what is the statement of KCL? Sum of the entering currents are equal to sum of the leaving currents. Now identify the entering currents to this node. So if you identify A is the entering current, C is the entering current, E is the entering current. 3 currents are entering here. So A, C, E are entering currents to this node. Now what are the leaving currents? Leaving currents are one current is B and another current is D. So D comma B are leaving currents from a node. Okay. Suppose if the circuit is given, first you have to identify what is the node at which you have to apply KCL. Okay, that is the first step you have to follow. What is the second step? What are the currents entering to that node? You have to identify the entering currents at that node. And what is the third step? You have to identify what are the leaving currents from a node. Okay, once this step is over, you can apply KCL. So KCL, by KCL, sum of the entering currents are equal to sum of the leaving currents from a node. Okay, node is very important. You have to define KCL at a node. So what is the KCL statement? Sum of the currents entering at a node are equal to sum of the leaving currents from a node. So entering currents are A, C, E. So what is the sum of their and sum of those entering currents? A plus C plus C. Now what are the leaving currents from a node? B, D. Now what is the sum of those leaving currents? B plus D. So by KCL, A plus C plus E is equal to B plus D. Okay, this is what KCL. Okay, now we will solve another example problem about this I value. So in order to find out this I value, you have to apply KCL at a node. First, you have to identify the node. Then you apply KCL. So, at this node, you have to write the KCL. Now, if you observe the circuit closely, here these two nodes, okay, these two nodes constitute the same node. After all, these two nodes are separated by connecting wire. So you can treat these two nodes as a single node. Okay, these two nodes are not a different node. You treat these two nodes as a single node. So I have redrawn the circuit again, treating those two nodes as a single node. So if you redraw the circuit like this, then you can apply KCL at this node N. So KCL means entering currents equal to leaving currents. So what are the entering currents at this node? 3 amps, 5 amps. What are the leaving currents from a node? 2 amps and I amps. So these are the entering currents. So sum of the entering currents is 3 plus 5. These two are the leaving currents. Sum of the leaving currents is I plus 2. Then you will get I is equal to 6 amps. Okay. This is what KCL means. Thank you.